What's up guys, it's Luke here. Today I'm going to show you our RILRD800 Renegade Industrial High Torque Low Speed Drill. They have a 13mm steel keyed chuck, a powerful 800 watt motor, and we've been selling these products for about 15 years and they've continued to prove themselves as trade quality. The high torque and low speed combo makes them ideal for large drilling in steel or timber, mixing, and for screwing and unscrewing large screws such as batten screws. Just a quick tip, if you're doing heavy work in reverse, check your chuck screw and give it a bit of a tighten. This will prevent future chuck malfunctions. They're fitted with a solid steel gear assembly which provides strength and durability under the toughest of drilling applications. Alright, that was the RILRD800 Renegade Industrial High Torque Low Speed Drill. If you have any more questions you want to get your hands on one, head to one of our huge 17 stores or jump online to tradetools.com. If you like this video, give us a like, hit subscribe, tell your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll be more than happy to answer them.